Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G55, and today I will show you how we can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So, to get started, we're gonna open up our standalone contacts application, like this one right here. Next, navigate to Organize. Select Manage SIM. Give it a second. There we go. So if you inserted your card recently, it might take a while to show up the contacts. Now you have the option to change where your contacts are being imported to. You can also deselect contacts that you don't want. You can click on Import, and you're basically done. So now these contacts should be visible somewhere in here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.